Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Today we are going to be unboxing my Lawn Fawn stamp and die set order. So let's go ahead and move on to the craft table and let's unbox it. Alright, so we are here at the craft table. Let's go ahead and cut this one open. I have so many ideas for these sets, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like it came with some freebies. So we have some cardstock here. These are really pretty prints. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. And if you don't know it, you can take a piece of parchment paper and you can iron out cardstock if it ever gets wrinkled. So that's just a little handy tip. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, what is this? It says, "Thank you so much, Kristin," from Thor. Wow. What kind of stamp is this? Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. So it looks like they gave us a freebie and it says, "Love you lots." Oh my gosh, how kind. Wow, oh my goodness. That is why I love to purchase from these small companies, because they just really love to treat their customers, and I will definitely be returning. So let's go ahead and open up what all we got. I love this twine. I'm pretty sure that you can also buy this as well. I might save this and incorporate it into a card. It has those really pretty summer colors on it. And as you can tell, we got quite a few. Okay, so I just organized these. Some of them do not have the coordinating stamp or dies with them because I placed a huge order about a year ago and completely forgot to add on a few of them. So let's go ahead and go through the ones that don't have matches. Well, they have matches now because they're in, but I got the cute little hippo and it comes with a balloon die. And then we have this cute little otter. And then we have Seasoned Tweetings. That is so stinking cute. And then we have the die. And this one coordinates with the Love You Tons stamp set. And like I said, I have the opposite of what I'm showing you already. But then we also have the pineapple die. And then we have the, I believe that this is an otter, but it coordinates with the Year 5 stamp set. So I have the coordinating ones with these, but I'm going to go ahead and file these away. Alright, let's see what stamp and die sets that I got to add to my collection. So we have the Do Not Worry, Be Happy stamp and die set. We have the You Color My World stamp and die set. This is going to go great if you have like a little one that's starting pre-K. But I have two kids that are in school, so I cannot wait to make two completely different cards with this same stamp and die set. My little one just graduated from pre-K, and so this is going to go perfect. I cannot wait to make him a card. It says, "You're One Smart Cookie." So I cannot wait to add that one to my collection. Now this one's really neat. It says, "You're the Zest," and then the next one says, "Squeeze the Day." So this one comes with two sentiments, and you can also change out the eyes on the lemon. Next up we have "Happy Birthday to My Bestie." That is so cute, and it has a little boba tea here, and then it says, "Hey Cutie," and then "Let's Party." So that's really cute. And of course the little die set, and it does come with that heart with the coordinating stamp. I love how you can change out the eyes on the tea. Up we have the Mermaid stamp and die set, and the sentiment on here says, "Make a Splash." And it has those cute little fish, and this is the flip-flop, so let me tell you a little bit about that. It says, "This stamp set is a flip-flop. Flip-flop includes mirror image stamps from popular stamp sets along with fun new sentiments. Work on their own or pair them with their original stamp sets for fun new options." So I'm very excited to create with this one. Okay, so here's another look at everything. I highly encourage you to check out Lawn Fawn. They have great stamp and die sets, and they're actually very affordable. I also love that they included a little freebie with my order and also the cardstock along with it. So I'm very excited to start creating. I hope that I've inspired you all to create something new as well. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!